Hi everybody, welcome to week 2, 2 out of 7. So remember this class is moving very fast. I will go in today and start grading your submissions from the first week in the first module. Just a couple of points. The quiz, if you get a question that's a fill in the blank and you spell something wrong, just let me know and I can go in and correct it. If you get a question that is a short answer, which I tried to take out, but there's still some in there, I will have to go in and grade it by hand. So if you see anything you think should have been right and you got it wrong, let me know and I can go in and take a look and revise the grades. You should all have access to the book at this point. Again, there's an ebook, so you just have to get the code or just go directly to Cengage to sign on. So in module 2 is actually a big week and it's a holiday week, so maybe that's good or maybe that's bad. So we're looking at 3 different topics: leading with vision, power and politics, managing up, and leaders and followers. So some of this will sound familiar to you, and that's a good thing. Okay, so the quiz again is 40 questions and looks just like the quiz from the first module. It randomly pulls from the test bank for all the different chapters. Okay, your first assignment this week is focusing on the courage to manage up. So I'm assuming you will all be in a company, battalion, squad next fall, and in 6 weeks from now. You may also be working summer jobs or have an internship in the fall. So choose some setting where you will have a leader and create a plan for managing up. So look at the specific suggestions and techniques from the chapter and identify specific ways that you will attempt to manage up, and then think about and write about how you will know if you were effective. So again, the second written assignment is the same for all the modules. So as you're looking through the chapters, you will find boxes that say, put it into practice. And so pick one of those from one of the assigned chapters. So this week you have 3 different chapters to choose from. Do what it says. So practice. Some of them are behaviors, some of them are writing things down or creating plans. And then write about your experience. So tell me which one you worked on, tell me what you did, and then tell me what you learned. So that's always going to be the second assignment. So as you're reading through the chapters each week, be looking for that. Okay, the discussion board this week is based on a case study at the end of chapter 12. It's called IT Choice With or Without Politics. So you have 2 different employees that are hoping to become appointed as the Chief Information Officer. So first of all, who do you think the CEO should choose? And then answer the questions about is Pat sabotaging his career by not paying attention to office politics? What advice would you give to Pat? And what are the sources of power that each of the candidates have? Some of you started working on that already. Okay, so for every module you have the slides, and then I've also added, where I can find them, video examples. So some of you might learn better from video than you do from reading. So those are just kind of optional if they help you. So again, this course has general education assessment requirements because everybody takes the course. So the first assignment that we're going to be doing, that all students in 371 do, is an intercultural competency assignment. And so I'm going to do a separate video description of what you do, but I posted this in for every week. So it'll be due at the end of next week. And there are a couple different components, and the instructions are here. So if you have a question before I get to my video, just go ahead and email me, and I'll be happy to help you. So that's all I have for today. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a good week.